Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer. I am in the bathroom. I don't care. This is the warmest part of my house right now. I don't know why. When I film in my makeup studio, like I'm filming right in front of two windows and I can always feel a little draft that's coming in from them. I think we need to check into that. But I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to be warm and cozy today. Today guys, I'm going to be unboxing the new Diamond and Ice collection from NYX Professional Makeup. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. If you do follow me on Instagram, you already know I've done a tutorial and a review on some of the items and they are very, very good. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. So I have opened a couple things already on my Instagram story post, but then I just realized it was gonna be like way too long. This isn't sponsored, anything like that. NYX isn't asking me to do this. I just think it's a super pretty collection. I know I already enjoy it. Like a lot of the products I have used, I enjoyed. So I'm excited to see the whole collection and I'm excited to share it with you guys too. So there's a bunch of these ornaments. They're so cute. I love this whole collection, Diamond and Ice, like the aesthetic of it. It's so glittery and clear and icy. I really, really like it. So there's these ornaments here, super cute, and inside of them, guys, they're like jam-packed with products. Package here we have the Diamond and Ice. This is the face and body illuminizer. It's like a highlighter. I have it on my cheeks right now. You can see there a little bit. Okay, I feel like my neck is like wrinkly. Does anyone else around the age of 27 have a wrinkly neck? Let me know. You can see I have it on right now. It's very just like sheer, but it's super, super pretty. I'm wearing this one actually. This is the Frosted Pearl. Super nice. And there's this one here. This is called Citrine Dream. Oh, and then next, this is the Diamond and Ice. It's called the Mega Shadow Palette. This one I just used in my tutorial. The shades are so good, guys. They're all NYX eyeshadows. I've never had any trouble with any of NYX products. They're very creamy. They do get fallout, but personally, I don't care that much. So this is actually right here from this shadow palette. I used number 16, the blue shade here. It has like a really, really nice reflex in it. It's a little bit like metallic-y and shimmery. And then on top, I do have one of the shadow jellies that I'm sure is in this box that I'll show you as well. Two butter glosses, a darker pink color and then a lighter pink. Next up, in the next little ornament here, ooh, we have, okay, so this is another one of the face and body illuminizers, and this is called the Bottle Pop. Next, I really, really like this one. This is the Jeweled and Jaded. It's a mini palette here, and we have in the box, this is the On the Rise mascara in a little stocking stuffer or to give someone for Christmas. It's so cute. Next up here, these are the jelly shadows. These, I love, love, love these. There is more of like a silver one, a bronzy one, and then more of, this is like a peach coppery tone. The silver one, which is called A-Lister Silver, this I have right in the middle of my eye, and it just goes on like, it goes on like a dream. Like it's so smooth, it dries down, but it doesn't feel heavy because you know sometimes with the like anything liquidy that goes on the eye, sometimes I feel it dries down and it gets like tight on your eye. You know what I mean? Let me know if you know what I mean. I feel like I have nothing on my eyes. So yeah, these, I really, really like these. Next up, guys, this is, I love this. When there is like gummies or candy or anything edible in a PR box, sign me up. Check. That is my favorite. So in here we have, like, how adorable is that? Some little diamond sugar cookies. Next up, I am so, so excited about this. This is the Epic Ink Liner. The packaging is so cute. Ooh, this one has tons more lip glosses. Butter lip glosses, butter, butter, butter. I love me some butter. Okay, a weird little thing. When I wasn't that young actually. I think I was maybe like 10 or 11. I used to eat a margarine or that, I can't believe it's butter. Thinking about this now, I almost want to gag saying this, but I used to take a huge spoon, dip out the margarine and the butter, take it and just eat it like it was ice cream. More butter glosses are in there, guys. These, ooh, the Soft Matte Lip Vault. Oh my gosh. I've actually worn these on my wedding day, and that has to tell you something because you need a good lipstick to wear on your wedding day. And yeah, I used the Soft Matte Lip Cream in Montreal and it stayed on all night. I think I may have retouched it once. Okay, so next here we have, this is the Glossy Lip Trio. So there is like a clear gloss and then two nudes. use. Next up, we have another lip trio. This is the Powder Puff. Next, we have a matte lip trio. So there's a lot of little like lip trio kits in this collection here. This is a 12-day lipstick countdown. Yes. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm so happy. Oh, I love, love, love advent calendars. So there's 12 days here. Gotta open one now. Okay, let's open number one. Let's do a little open. Ooh! Number one is a butter gloss. Oh my gosh, and they're mini. That's so adorable. Like, this is such a cool present to give someone. So I haven't seen these at all. This is the Lip Vault, and they're matte lipsticks. My back is hurting. Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Next up, we have another Lip Vault. These are all the butter glosses. So freaking big. Oh my gosh. And this, I'm not gonna, well, I'll obviously open it to show you guys, but I did already get one of these. I was working with NYX on that Diamonds and Ice project, and look at that. Oh, that's so cool. It's like the holographic. Next, we have the 80 Pan Artistry. This, again, I have one, so I feel like there needs to be a giveaway coming up here, guys, because I have doubles. Look at that. 80 shades. And I've already used the majority of the pink ones, and I can already tell you they go on beautifully. Hey, this is a 24-day holiday countdown. How cool is that? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so fun. So fun. I do some opening on Instagram, so you can always check me out there and you can watch me open it. But it does show on the back everything you're gonna get. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this just kind of like chill coming from the bathroom video. I enjoyed opening this. I had a blast. I felt like I was a kid on Christmas opening all this stuff. So thank you so much, NYX, for sending that over. Yeah, it just really brightened my day, especially during these, you know, COVID times where everything is just a little meh. But keep a lookout, guys, because I'm definitely going to be doing a giveaway because I have a lot of products, like I have a lot of doubles of things, so I would love to give something back to you guys so you can open something and have a little holiday cheer as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you do want to support me as an artist and a creator, and hopefully one day to make this more than just a hobby, all you have to do, guys, is just like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Whew, I'm out of breath talking. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much. Always appreciate your support, like always, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.